All right, welcome again, Military Guna TV. Thank you very much for being here. If you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe button. Also, drop a like. Now, I want to talk a little bit about rumors, transfer rumors that is going on. It is not transfer season, but yet still these rumors consistently pops up. And who's to tell? Because there's always rumors until something really happens. So first thing first, Matteo Guendouzi is unlikely to come back at Arsenal Football Club for the remainder of his footballing career. We know that he and Mikel Arteta had some serious falling out in regards to discipline behavior, and it isn't the first Matteo Guendouzi portray those type of behaviors, because we've seen it under Unai Emery. Well, I've also heard reports when he was at his previous clubs before he came to Arsenal about those types of reports about this discipline problem and those small intricate things. So in that case, we really know that he is unlikely to come back just because of that basis. These reports can be false as well, but these are just headlines to make newspaper for clickbaits and such forth, but we have to report them just to say it. Now, secondly, Lucas Torreira also is eyeing a move away to stay at Atletico Madrid, even though reports that came from in the Spanish division that Lucas Torreira was not comfortable also in regards to game time, and we also saw reports from Arsenal Football Club stating that we're not alright or we're not comfortable with the game time that he's getting at Atletico Madrid. And there was also previous reports coming out that Atletico Madrid wanted to send him back in this January, but we know that Mikel Arteta, these are not the mold or the type of player Mikel Arteta really fancies. Maybe Guendouzi is the type of player that Mikel Arteta really fancies, but the problem is his attitude and his discipline, and Mikel Arteta is a stickler for discipline and attitude. He's one of those type of person. But we know there is unlikely, these two transfers are unlikely to actually come back to Arsenal Football Club under Mikel Arteta, and even if they do, there will be questions asked about how they carry out themselves. Now, the last thing I would like to talk about is reports now coming out about Jack Grealish to Arsenal. We know Jack Grealish is an Arsenal supporter. You can see who are his good friends, Foden, also Saka. He and Saka are very good friends, and they always communicate over the social media platforms, of their group chats, such and such forth. Also, he loves our stadium as well, but he's an Arsenal fan. But I don't think that would be a good transfer for him, because honestly we're on the building phase, and he's the type of player who's a finished article, and he should be actually going to a team who's a finished team. He could have done wonders. He could have done wonders for us if he would have come to Arsenal Football Club, but that is highly unlikely, because we'd have to really break the bank to get him. And Arsenal Football Club, we don't like breaking banks. We like to penny pinch. So that is Arsenal Football Club. But anyways, these are the two transfers that I've seen this morning. Numerous amount of outlets reporting it. I haven't seen any credible one as yet, but I have to report it as well. Hopefully the credible one will come out a bit sooner, and then now we can get into more details about it. But for so far, both Lucas Torreira and Matteo Guendouzi having a good season. Matteo Guendouzi having a good season, but his team is actually declining. I've been really watching him for a while now, and his team is really on a massive decline, heading towards relegation. And now Lucas Torreira, his team which is Atletico Madrid, is on the top of the table looking to win the league. So thank you very much for tuning in. Hopefully you get some good information out of this. If you're here, if you're at this point in the video, it means that you have hit the like button. And if you're at this point of the video, it means that you have already subscribed. Thank you very much for doing both. And if not, do it now. So Military Guna TV, guess what? I am out.